In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock your LinkedIn profile in just 5 minutes. It's a quick and effective way to ensure your professional information is accessible only to the people you choose. LinkedIn is a fantastic platform for networking and showcasing your professional achievements. But it's also important to maintain control over who can see your profile. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to LinkedIn's website by typing in the URL or simply searching for LinkedIn. Once you arrive at the home page, look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen, and give it a click. Now, assuming you already have an account, enter your login credentials and access your LinkedIn homepage. Once you're there, let's navigate to your profile. You'll find your profile picture at the top of the page, either on the right corner or left side, depending on the version you're using. Click on it to view your profile. Next, we are going to focus on that little section known as Public Profile and URL. It might take a second to spot, but look for the box beneath your profile picture area that shows more settings. Clicking on Public Profile and URL will open a new page. This section is crucial because it allows you to manage how your profile appears to others outside your network. After you've clicked into the Public Profile and URL page, you should see an option to edit your custom URL on the right side of your screen. Now, while editing your custom URL can be handy for other purposes, today we are focusing on the visibility settings right below. You'll see a section marked Your Profile's Public Visibility. This is the setting that determines who can see your profile. If it's currently set to public, that means anyone on the internet can view your LinkedIn profile. But we're here to change that. To make your profile private, simply find the toggle next to Your Profile's Public Visibility and switch it off. Once you do that, your profile will no longer be visible to everyone outside your connections. This means only your direct connections will have access to your details, providing you with greater privacy and control over your professional image. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully locked your LinkedIn profile, ensuring that only trusted connections have the privilege of viewing your professional information. Remember, you can always adjust these settings anytime you feel like changing who sees what on your LinkedIn page. Thanks for tuning in. And be sure to join us again for more quick and easy tech tips.